Alright nerds, so this is the start of our ecology unit, and today we're just going to talk about we're going to introduce the unit, and we're going to just give you some definitions so you've got the language of the topic down. Okay, so basically by the end of today you should understand what ecology is, as well as be able to define several basic terms. Okay, so what is ecology? Ecology is the study of the interactions of organisms with their environments and how these guys all depend on each other. So that's important. So how they interact with their environment and how the environment interacts with them, by the way, and how different organisms depend on each other. So food chains and certain relationships. Okay, so an ecosystem is basically it's a community of living organisms, and they all live in conjunction with the non-living components of the environment, and these interact as a system. Hence the phrase ecosystem. So there are biotic factors and abiotic factors. Now, biotic factors are the living factors. Abiotic factors are the non-living factors. And this doesn't mean dead. This means never was alive. So they're linked together through nutrient cycles, energy flows, and so forth. Again, biotic factors are the living components of the community, and the non-living components are the abiotic. Now, it's really important that you say abiotic and biotic, and you make sure you put a clear space there so you don't get confused when you're talking. Okay, so trophic levels within an ecosystem. Trophic means food, straight up, so this could just be written as food levels. A producer makes food, generally photosynthesis in plants and phytoplankton and some other things like that, algae. The consumer eats food, so it gets its food from an external source, or gets its energy from an external source. We've got the primary consumer, or the first consumer. That is a herbivore, always, because it's eating a plant. The secondary consumer is an omnivore or a carnivore, and the tertiary one, which is the third level up, is often a carnivore, can be an omnivore. So basically, here we go. The tree is the producer, or the grass is the producer. Then you've got the little mouse here. We'll call him a bush rat, so it's Australian. We'll pretend that that's a. Alright, look, we'll go with this. Whatever, who cares? Okay, mouse eating the grass. Primary. Secondary is the owl. It eats the mouse. Cool. Then the fox here eats the owl. Sweet. So that's your tertiary one. Alright, so what's a biome? A biome is a large collection of ecosystems that are linked together or similar. Okay, so in your text are a list of Australian biomes. I want you to tabulate these. You should also find the meaning from like the descriptions for the basic biome, hence biome description. That's a table. Do it in a table. I also want you to find the meanings of these words: biosphere, decomposer, biomass. These are going to be important as we go on. All right, top work.